Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Miro tutorial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then go to the board section on your dashboard. Over here, click on create new. Then select board from the options. After that, give your board a name. Then on the left side, click the sticky notes icon. Over here, click text, then click the sticky note to type. After that, click the shapes and lines icon to add shapes. Then use arrows to connect ideas. Over here, click the pencil icon to draw on your board. Then click upload to add files. Over here, click on export this board at the top of the page. Then choose to save it as a PDF, image, or other formats. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.